Hello guys, today we are going to learn about the human circulatory system. As the name is suggesting, circulatory system means the system which circulates different substances from one part of the body to the other. This system is very important because it connects all the organs of our body. Now, this diagram shows the circulatory system of our body. This system mainly contains heart, vascular system and the lungs. This system is responsible for the flow of different chemicals, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, hormones to and from the cell. Now, in living world, circulatory system is of two types: open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Open circulatory system is found in higher invertebrates like arthropods and mollusks. Closed circulatory system is found in the higher group of vertebrates and invertebrates like annelids and the chordates. Let me explain you open circulatory system and closed circulatory system through a simple experiment. I have two tumblers of water, one with a proper network of straw, one without straw. If I want to drink water from this tumbler, first of all water will go to the smaller pipe and then to the larger pipe and then will go to my mouth. But in this system, if I want to drink the water will directly come to my mouth. There is no network of capillary. Fluid is flowing freely in the tumbler. This is the best example to show the open circulatory system. This shows a well-developed closed circulatory system because here fluid is not flowing freely. It is flowing through small pipe, then larger pipe and coming to my mouth, and it's a proper closed system. Let's see the diagram of the higher invertebrate and the human body. In higher invertebrate, the fluid is not move in a proper network of capillaries, veins and artery. It moves freely in the body cavity through sinuses and lacunae. But in human body, the blood always moves in a closed system of arteries, veins and capillaries. That's why it contains a closed system in which blood flows in a closed capillaries and closed veins. But here the blood flows in a open spaces, open cavity through sinuses and lacunae. That's why it is called a open system. In this video, we have learned about the circulatory system and the type of circulatory system in living world. In next video, we will learn about the main component of our circulatory system, that is heart. Thank you.